going on, guys? JD. I have a HOWHIT motor here. Came right out of Yerf Dog. It's been sitting on the engine room floor, and just wanted to answer the question because a lot of people are. It's been going around in the Facebook groups and whatnot. You know, some people think that have tried the 58.5mm kit doesn't fit HOWHIT block. Now, this is a 58.5mm jug, by the way. So anyway, I just pulled this off the floor and tore the top end off of it. This motor is probably toast. I'm going to save it for the cases and whatnot. But yes, it is true. When I talk about the case bore is right there. Okay, it's where the cylinder slides in. There is a lot of meat around that stud. All right, and yes, this is the smallest case bore of a quote-unquote 150cc. In fact, the standard Yerf Dog piston's not even 57.4 like every other GY6 is actually 57 flat. All right, so the case bore is smaller than most GY6s. It's probably the smallest that you'll find. Now, I'm not including the 152 QMJs, you know, the 125cc motors. I don't know what the case bore is on those. This might be where this case came from. I don't know the exact history of it. So, but it is a 157 QMJ. It's not a 152. But this motor actually came out of a Yerf Dog that's out in the parking lot. I pulled a lot of motors and just put them on the engine room floor in case, you know, any cases or whatnot. Now, this is you can probably see it's a Naraku 58.5mm jug. So what I'm going to do real quick, just to kind of show you and make sure the camera's kind of pointing in the right direction. There we go. Get the chain through there. This is a used jug that got pulled off a race motor, and I kind of saved it just for this actually. But there you go. Boom. Slides right on. So if that answers any questions, and basically this kit comes in two different variations. It comes in a cast piston and forged piston. Cast piston kit is $99.99. Comes with the gaskets and the piston and everything you need to, you know, put a new top end or new jug on. Then there's the forged piston version, which is $169.99. It's basically the same. Everything in the box is the same except the piston. It's just for those who want a forged piston. It's available. So that's what you're paying for, is the difference in the actual piston. If you went and looked up a forged piston on some other sites, you know, that sell pistons separately, like a Tata piston, forged pistons, $99. Most can be found for around $70, $69.99, and that's the exact difference in the cost of the kit. So hopefully that answers anybody's questions. I got like 2 emails this week, which is rare because usually everything comes across Facebook before I get an email. But a couple people had emailed me about what's the deal with the BBKs on the HOWHIT motors. So really, there is no deal. I don't know what kits other people are using, or what didn't fit, or why it didn't fit. But like I said, this is Naraku. This is what I sell. I sell 2 different kits that are 58.5. Actually 3. I believe the SSP-Gs are out of stock, and they have been for a while. That's a COVID problem. And then I got the BanJing ceramic cylinder, and then I have these 2 from Naraku. Which, if you ask me my favorite, I would say the Naraku kit. They're all great, but Naraku is my favorite as far as the quality of the work and everything. So hopefully that answers any questions, and that's it for today. Thanks.